In infinitely dimensional hyperspace, let's say we consider four dimensions. These four dimensions are connected to each other because every dimension needs other to describe them. Okay, so let's say we name these dimensions S1, S2, S3, and S4, and out of these four dimensions, S4, let's say, decides to flow, it decides to move in hyperspace. Now since these all four dimensions are connected to each other, as I said, they all four have to move just due to the flowing and moving nature of S4. We call this S4 as time. Now, and due to this time dimension, we have the flow of entire four dimensions since they are connected to each other. So we have the entire space-time flow there. Now imagine a universe where we have instead two time dimensions. Like instead of, let's say, we named it S1, S2, S3, and S4. Now we're naming it time 1, and we're naming this time 2. And we have now a universe where we have, you know, two-dimensional space and two-dimension of time. Now in the video of previous videos of mine, one of the previous videos of mine, I have considered a universe where we have three dimension of time and one dimension of space. But in this we will discuss like what will happen, like, if we have this, two dimension of space and two dimensions of time. This universe will be so bizarre there, because for any event, what we describe is our location. Let's say a train arrives at a platform, then what we describe is where it is arriving, and what time. Now in a universe where we have two dimensions of time and two dimensions of space, we will have totally a flat universe, there, and where people give, this the particular event can only be described if it has two coordinates of space, and two measures of time. So it's, you have to tell two time numbers there, like where you are, like, your location, like you can somehow look at yourself there. But time is like bizarre, like how can you tell, let's say now it is here 4 o'clock. Okay, so like, so how can I tell you it's now 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock? No, that does not make sense here in our universe. But in that universe it will be totally fine there, because we have two dimensions of time there and two dimensions of space. So this universe is really weird. So, and it can exist in multiverse because we can have any combination there. So no one knows until we make some measurement there in future. Let's leave it for future there.